Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today we're going to be doing an Alsatian recipe. And no, not the dog, this one's from the north of France. We're doing ham, knuckle, braised cabbage and vegetables. Look, let's just get on with it. Right, we've got a onion here, and I'm going to show you just how to top tail an onion. You're going to peel it, and you can actually see how much difficulty I do have with my MS in prepping a lot of the food. That's why I don't really film it a lot of the time. So I'm just going to give this a pretty rough sort of chop. Okay, just like that. If you want to cut it up fine, by all means go for it, but this is going to be cooked for a little bit of time, so we're just going to cut some nice little chunky bits of onion up just like that. Alright, so I'm just going to keep struggling and chopping away and make sure I keep my fingers intact. Put that straight into a slow cooker. Now we're going to use some cabbage. Now a half of a normal sized cabbage would be fine. This is a very big cabbage. I've already made 2 different meals with this particular unit, but we're going to just give this all a pretty rough chop. No need to be precise with this particular vegetable at all. Okay, so yeah, just give that a rough chop just like that, and put that straight into your slow cooker as well. Okay, and I haven't quite cut enough. I'm going to cut a little bit more just to make sure we've got a nice amount of cabbage in our slow cooker. So once again, just give that a rough chop just like that. Cut the heart out. It's not a bad way to go unless you like the hard bit of the heart. That's going to take a long time to break down. Alright, make sure you get it all over the bench, otherwise you're not doing it correctly. There's a couple of carrots. We're just going to top and tail those. They're a little bit sort of weird looking in colour, and we're just going to give those a rough slice up as well, and they can all go straight into our slow cooker. Okay, pretty basic sort of stuff, and all of this is fairly inexpensive. Get your cabbage while they're at a good price. They can fluctuate in price massively. Alright, 4 rashers of bacon. Just give that a rough chop up just like that. Okay, pretty simple. And once again, straight into the slow cooker as well, which we've just got sitting off to the side. Right, a few little potatoes, a little bit of a yucky bit on there. I'm just going to slice him off. He can go in the bin, and we're just going to slice these up just pretty roughly. We don't have to be precise as to size on those. Okay, and these aren't real big potatoes either, but we want a little bit of meat to them, otherwise they'll just fall apart in the slow cooker. Right, our slow cooker is sitting there. I'm adding in some allspice. You could also add in, if you want to, juniper berries if you can find it, and we've got one nice big ham hock or knuckle, and look, as you can see, the lid's not going to fit with all of this in here. Turn that onto a high and give it an hour or so, and it will start to reduce down. That cabbage will reduce down. I did forget one little ingredient, and that is some white wine, or this time I'm actually using a bit of a rosé, just for a little bit of a different type of sort of flavour. That's about 200ml worth of that. You can use chicken stock if you don't want to use the alcohol. By all means, that is absolutely fine. As you can see, an hour later, that has reduced down quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Just be careful, we don't want to add too much. The cabbage and potato can absorb a lot, but the ham hock and the bacon does have a fair bit of salt. Right, around about 3.5 to 4 hours later, I'm going to take that ham hock out. It has cooked through, the meat is already starting to fall off the bone, and the smell is amazing, believe me. Right, so this is something you would cook on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon, and take the skin off the ham hock, and we're simply just going to start slicing the meat off the bone, right, just like I'm doing there. Just cut it up roughly. There's no reason to make it really small. We just want some nice variance in sizes for this, and make sure you drop it on the bench first before you put it in, otherwise you're not doing it right. So all my ham is in. Our vegetables are almost cooked through. We want to make sure those potatoes and carrots are cooked off, but I want to put that ham in there and just get more flavour into that. So after around about 4-5 hours on a low heat, everything is cooked through, and then you go. You've got KP's ham knuckle with braised cabbage and vegetables. Obviously, try and make this one at home. It's really easy and pretty inexpensive. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Nano KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something just something from a little bit of a different place in the world and really nice and easy to do, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my ham knuckle braised cabbage and vegetables, and I will catch you next time. Bye.